Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to clear browsing history on Samsung Internet Browser, of course on Samsung phones. So here I have a Samsung Galaxy A36 5G and here is the Samsung Internet Browser. And if you want to clear the history, it's not so hard. We have two ways. The first one, just tap here on this icon and here we have history. And this is the history, and to delete it, just tap here and you can tap on delete, and here you can choose the last hour, or you can choose one by one and then tap delete and again. Or you can tap clear history and all your history will be deleted. Also, we have here video history, and here you can from here you can delete the videos that you watched before. Okay. Now, this one is a simple clear browsing history method because here the Google searches will remain, and now I will show you another method, and this one is more complex. For that, just tap here on this icon again, tap on settings, and here go to personal browsing data. Here tap on delete browsing data, and from here you can select last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose, for example, last 24 hours. And also you can choose what do we want to delete. We have here browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. And also you can choose password and autofill data. Okay. Then just tap delete data, tap again delete. And now if you go back, you will see that you don't have anymore the searching history here in the Google search bar. And all your history is deleted. If you go here to history, you don't have anymore that history. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.